Welcome to the channel. Dark circles and puffiness under the eyes can make us look tired and older than we feel. If you're on the hunt for a solution, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the best under-eye creams for dark circles and puffiness to help brighten, firm, and rejuvenate that delicate area. We've handpicked 7 products that target these concerns effectively. Let's get started with our top picks. Number 1. ROC Retinol Correction Eye Cream. ROC Retinol Correction Eye Cream is a renowned product designed to target both dark circles and puffiness with a potent blend of retinol and essential minerals. This eye cream works by stimulating collagen production to smooth and firm the skin around the eyes, while retinol helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The formula is designed for sensitive skin, offering gentle yet effective treatment without irritation. The quality of this product lies in its scientifically backed formulation, which includes a unique combination of retinol and minerals. The retinol helps accelerate skin renewal, while the minerals aid in reducing puffiness and dark circles over time. With consistent use, you can expect visibly smoother, brighter, and firmer skin around the eyes. It's a great choice for those seeking to address multiple signs of aging and tiredness. In terms of usability, ROC Retinol Correction Eye Cream is easy to apply with its smooth, non-greasy texture. The cream absorbs quickly without leaving a sticky residue. The product is designed for nightly use, and with regular application, you'll notice a reduction in puffiness and dark circles. This eye cream is a great solution for those looking for a powerful, anti-aging product that also targets under-eye concerns.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. CeraVe Eye Repair Cream is a deeply hydrating product designed to help with dark circles and puffiness. This cream features a unique formula containing ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and peptides, all of which work together to repair and strengthen the skin's natural barrier. The inclusion of niacinamide is key for brightening the under-eye area, helping to reduce the appearance of dark circles over time. What sets this eye cream apart is its focus on long-term hydration and repair. The ceramides and hyaluronic acid deeply hydrate the skin, while peptides support skin elasticity. This combination is perfect for sensitive skin, as it helps to restore moisture and strengthen the skin's natural defenses. Niacinamide also works to calm inflammation, reducing puffiness and dark circles caused by irritation or dryness. When it comes to usability, CeraVe Eye Repair Cream has a gentle, lightweight formula that is easy to apply. The cream absorbs quickly, leaving the skin feeling refreshed without any greasy residue. The effectiveness of this product is evident with consistent use, providing long-term hydration and diminishing dark circles and puffiness. It's a great daily eye cream for those with sensitive skin looking for a hydrating solution. Number 3. 8 Saints Wonderfill Eye Cream. 8 Saints Wonderfill Eye Cream is a luxurious product designed to combat dark circles and puffiness while providing a smooth, youthful look. The cream contains a blend of nourishing ingredients like peptides, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C, which work together to hydrate, brighten, and firm the skin around the eyes. This eye cream is perfect for those who want a luxurious, multi-benefit treatment that tackles various under-eye concerns. The quality of this product is highlighted by its use of natural ingredients, like aloe vera and cucumber extract, which help to calm the skin and reduce puffiness. Vitamin C brightens the under-eye area, while hyaluronic acid delivers deep hydration to prevent dryness. Peptides stimulate collagen production, improving skin elasticity and reducing fine lines. This formula is designed to address multiple issues in one simple product. In terms of usability, 8 Saints Wonderfill Eye Cream is easy to apply and feels lightweight on the skin. With regular use, you'll notice a decrease in puffiness, dark circles, and fine lines. This eye cream is an excellent choice for those looking for an effective, nourishing solution that offers visible results. Number 4. LilyAna Naturals Eye Cream. LilyAna Naturals Eye Cream is an all-natural product that combines ingredients like vitamin C, green tea extract, and hyaluronic acid to address dark circles and puffiness under the eyes. This eye cream is formulated to hydrate, brighten, and firm the delicate skin around the eyes, making it a fantastic choice for those seeking an all-natural, cruelty-free option. The quality of this product is rooted in its gentle yet effective natural ingredients. Vitamin C helps to lighten dark circles, while green tea extract works as an antioxidant to reduce puffiness and inflammation. Hyaluronic acid provides hydration, helping to plump the skin and minimize fine lines. This cream is free from harsh chemicals and parabens, making it suitable for those with sensitive skin. Usability is simple, as the cream has a lightweight texture that glides smoothly onto the skin. It's easy to apply, and its refreshing formula absorbs quickly without leaving any greasy residue. With regular use, you'll see an improvement in both puffiness and dark circles, while the skin around your eyes will feel more hydrated and rejuvenated. If you're looking for a natural eye cream with visible results, LilyAna Naturals is a great choice. Number 8. Neutrogena Retinol Rapid Wrinkle Eye Cream Neutrogena Retinol Rapid Wrinkle Eye Cream is formulated with retinol and a unique glucose complex to target signs of aging, dark circles, and puffiness. Retinol is known for its ability to promote skin renewal and reduce fine lines, making this eye cream an excellent choice for those who want to address multiple concerns in one product. The cream is designed to be effective, yet gentle, suitable for sensitive skin areas around the eyes. The quality of this product lies in its fast-acting formula, which works to reduce the appearance of puffiness and dark circles in as little as 1 week. The retinol helps to stimulate collagen production, which firms the skin and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Neutrogena Retinol Rapid Wrinkle Eye Cream is easy to use, with a smooth texture that glides on effortlessly. It absorbs quickly, making it perfect for daily use. Over time, you'll see an improvement in the under-eye area, with reduced puffiness, dark circles, and fine lines. This eye cream is ideal for those looking to target multiple eye area concerns with a single product. Number 6. Retinol Eye Stick Brightening Balm Retinol Eye Stick Brightening Balm is a convenient and effective solution for dark circles and puffiness. The unique stick design makes it easy to apply the product directly to the under-eye area without the need for messy fingers or applicators. The balm contains retinol and vitamin C, which work together to brighten the under-eye area, reduce puffiness, and smooth fine lines. The quality of this product is in its ability to deliver potent ingredients in a convenient, mess-free format. The balm's creamy texture feels nourishing and soothing, making it ideal for anyone looking for a quick and easy application. This eye stick is perfect for those on the go, offering targeted treatment that fits seamlessly into your routine. Usability is effortless, as the stick design allows for easy, precise application. The formula absorbs quickly, and the product leaves the skin feeling soft and hydrated. This eye stick is an excellent option for anyone seeking a portable, effective solution for under-eye concerns. Number 7. Caffeine Eye Cream with Massage Roller Caffeine Eye Cream with Massage Roller is a unique product designed to reduce puffiness and dark circles by combining the benefits of caffeine with a convenient massage roller applicator. The caffeine works to stimulate circulation, reducing puffiness and helping to brighten the under-eye area. The rollerball applicator allows for a soothing, cooling massage that helps to promote blood flow, which can further reduce puffiness and dark circles. The quality of this product is enhanced by its combination of active ingredients and the massage roller feature. The caffeine helps constrict blood vessels, reducing the appearance of puffiness, while the rollerball cools and soothes the skin, making it an excellent option for sensitive or tired eyes. The cream's lightweight texture makes it easy to apply, and it absorbs quickly into the skin. Usability is fantastic, as the rollerball applicator delivers just the right amount of product with each use, while also providing a gentle massage that promotes relaxation and reduces swelling. This eye cream is perfect for anyone looking for a convenient, effective solution to brighten and refresh the under-eye area. And that's a wrap on our review of the best under-eye creams for dark circles and puffiness. Whether you're looking for a powerful retinol formula, an all-natural solution, or something with a unique applicator, these 7 products have got you covered. Each one offers specific benefits to target dark circles, puffiness, and overall under-eye rejuvenation. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews, and we'll see you in the next video.